Hey, good morning, guys. Let's go over Avalanche. We have some metrics I want to be showing you guys. We are looking very bullish, actually, on the blockchain for long versus short trade. So I want to show that to you guys, and we'll dive in here and show you guys the indicators that are calling the tops and the bottoms over here. Very accurate. So currently, guys, we are sitting at 100 for 100 wins on the channel here. We have never lost a trade. We're going to try to go for 200 for 200 wins in the year of 2022, and I think our 101st for 101st win is going to be Avalanche. I'll show you guys how we're updating the buy limits, and it's going to be very favorable for everyone in this trade. In the second half of this video, I'll show you guys exactly how to trade our strategy and how to get into our Telegram channel and trade with us, okay? As well as show you guys the indicator sell that's ending in literally less than 48 hours. I put 48 hours on the video and the email I just sent out to you guys, but literally less than 48 hours, our indicator bundle is going to be going up, and you will never be able to get these indicators lower than this price again. Definitely want to snag those today before they go up tomorrow. Okay, let's dive in here. I want to show you an example of why people trade our strategy and why they love it so much. On December 22nd, we had our first buy limit hit for 118.16. I'm not going to use the other numbers. We're going to use just two decimals, okay? The second buy limit was hit at $100.61. Well, if you guys FOMO'd in up here, or you say, let's just, you entered into the trade and you entered in your first buy limit and you did not use risk management like we're teaching here, like all of our traders are doing, you're currently down 12.04%. All right. What happened this morning was extremely favorable for all of our traders. Because they had another buy limit set up down here and we use equal portions at each buy limit, you were able to come out here and actually get an extremely favorable position in here by simply dollar cost averaging down. Does this make sense? Okay, when you guys put your money into the market, into a single coin, a lot of you guys are conditioned, and I'm not blaming you guys, to just throw money into the market and you don't have anything else in the market to prepare for a move back down. You're thinking, you know what, this is a great time because most retail traders and people think the market is just going to go to the moon. And I'm trying to teach you guys on this channel that nothing ever just goes to the moon. Everything will always have pullbacks, okay? And so when we see the pullback here, you guys have saved yourself from being down on this trade basically 12% to only being down at the moment about 5%, saving yourself about 7% overnight just like that without doing a single thing because all your buy limits were set up. This will most likely be our 101st for 101st win, so I want you guys to watch that because I will be calling it out in the Telegram channel. Okay, watch this. If you guys are watching the trend exhaustion, the price versus money flow, you guys were able to see these moves come in the market, probably for anybody else. Here's how you guys use these. I want you to pay attention here. We're going to look at the trend dashboard as well. When the trend exhaustion pushes in the top red section here, this is where we're looking for drops back down in the market, okay? Previous time before that was when we pushed up just barely into the top section here. If you follow this straight up, we ended up seeing the well money flow high as well. We ended up seeing an overextension in the market, and that's where we ended up seeing the drop down. Previous time before that, we saw this push in the top red section here, and that's where we ended up getting this drop. Previous time before that, push in the top red section over here. This was correlated to these pumps, these about 3 or 4 candles, and then we saw a pump back down. Interesting. Like, why is this calling the drop so well? Guys, let me explain to you a little bit. I did this on another video, but let me explain it this way. You guys, these indicators here, they're coded to actually look at the behavior of what's happened in the past on the actual cryptocurrency. The blockchain, when I say blockchain, I'm talking about long and short trades on the actual blockchain for Binance for this coin. These cryptocurrencies are going to be, on all the different exchanges. These indicators work on all the different exchanges, okay? So you guys can see in here, when we're pushing to the top red section, I can show you guys even more in here. If we just look at this right here and we follow this straight up, we can see like, yes, we're seeing moves back down. We're seeing moves back down on the market here. We saw the move back down on the market right here, correlated to this drop as well, and we saw this over here, okay? The drops that this is calling are incredible, but it's also calling the pumps before they happen. Here's the thing about indicators, guys. There's leading and then there's lagging. Leading indicators literally tell you guys what's about to happen. The easiest way for me to make this relevant, it's like a prophecy of saying, here's what is about to happen, and then it happens, okay? That is why we haven't lost a trade yet over here, is with the indicators, the risk management, and the metrics. I'll show you guys the metrics. They're very bullish. I'm going to jump in there real quick here. But I want you guys to be watching this, because if we start pushing in the top red section here and the well money flow starts moving up, we need to be watching for a move back down, okay? Because this is called the drops almost every single time in here, and we need to be watching that. We may get bullish, but watch for that move back down. Make sure you guys have some cash in your exchange, because the next greatest support down here is around $75. So the percentage down from where we're at, if we break this to $75, is about 22%, almost exactly the same amount I just showed you guys on Dogecoin's video of 21 to 22%. Very interesting. We could be seeing about a 20% crash in the market here if these structures are broken. All right, let me show this to you guys real quick. The trend dashboard. This tells me what retail traders are looking at. Most of their indicators are all red, saying that they're going to be selling into this. But I think this is actually a great time to buy. We trade against all retail traders. When all their indicators are showing red, we are buying. When they're all showing green, they're FOMOing into the price, we are selling our long trades. Okay, let me show this to you guys on AVAX. This is what we're going to be looking at, mainly saying the well institutions, but let's start up here. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. All the metrics are going to update. This literally is in like 30 minutes here, guys. It's going to be pretty fun for you guys to watch this. So, emotional index is currently sitting in the neutral section. This is the best place to set up buy limits. And I'll show you exactly, guys, how to set this up today with our membership. And this is exactly what I'm personally using with my account. I have $100,000 over here that I'm trading with. This is the exact same process I use, and we've never lost a trade. Come down here and look at the long versus short trades in the market. On the blockchain, for Avalanche, we can see something very bullish take place. We are seeing long trades increase in the market on this drop, and short trades have not seen a great increase. They've actually kind of leveled off here. So this is showing us that more and more money is being pumped into Avalanche to look to buy the discounted price, which could be pumping us back up here very soon. So definitely watch this, because this is bullish from a blockchain perspective for long and short trades. Good sign for everybody looking to get into some trades. Long for short trade risk, we're sitting in the neutral section. We're not getting super depressed or people aren't getting fearful because we're not hitting down to structure lows here. We're also not breaking structure highs. So we're sitting in this neutral phase between the high and the low here, where people are neutral and they're like, okay, we've been here before. We understand this. They're not getting super emotional. But if this thing starts heading down here, I can bet you guys we're going to start hitting the anxious phase and the fearful phase. And follow me down right here. Guess what's happening while this is happening? We are seeing wells and institutions come out, and they are buying the demand of a lower price in Avalanche. Okay. Well, a lot of retail traders were in the market and they were getting into these trades up here, and they're like, oh my gosh, we're going to FOMO in, because here's the thing, guys. People FOMO in after they see the trend going up. Why? Because FOMO is the fear of missing out. You don't have fear of missing out on an uptrend when the price is going down. It's only once it starts going up and the structure has already been formed in an uptrend where people say, I gotta jump on this because it's going through the moon. Does that make sense? It needs to already have momentum. Here's the problem with that. If you guys are watching this metric over here, depending on when you see this and you guys jump into the momentum, even here, and let's say you don't even get in at the top, what's happening over here is wells and institutions are looking for short trades in the market. They're gonna crash this back down on you. Now, the same thing applies here. Those of you guys who are in the market, you're like, okay, I just got to sell because I'm hitting capitulation emotions. And you're like, I just got to give up, surrender the white flag. I'm going to get out of this market. Well, what's happening is the opposite on smart money. They're actually buying these trades, guys. And that's exactly what we are doing. We just bought the dip at the lowest point. Okay, literally the lowest point on here, and then we started moving back up. Let's see what happens. If we move down, we've got another buy limit. But this is how you guys can start trading profitably, and we have traders, literally not a single person who's ever taken a trade has ever lost a trade. It is the confidence that this gives you guys when you start trading is enormous, and it gets you out of being emotional when you trade. Okay, take a look at some support resistance prices, and then I'm going to go over the long trades that you guys can take with us, and actually how you can take all the next wins with us, okay? Let's take a look at this. The greatest structure of support is sitting at $101, okay? The greatest resistance is sitting at 125, the quarters theory of about 125. So taking a look at this, we already looked at the structure high and the structure low. We really need to be sitting above. We need to bounce from this level of $100, guys. $100 is what's called a whole number. It is very visual on the chart. A lot of banks trade around this chart and has been respected greatly. If you take this line and draw it straight over at $100, we bounced here, we bounced there, we bounced there, we bounced here, and we're bouncing here, okay? If this is broken, the next greatest structure support is down here, and that is a 20 to 22% drop in price, okay? So we need to be watching this because 22% is an absolute crash point we could be seeing in the market. If you guys are coming down here and doing dollar cost average entries, you've gotten incredible entries here on this channel. You guys were able to come out and see these. Now, the channel came out with AVAX right around this area, so depending on when you guys came out, you may have only gotten one or two of these. But point being, this metric is going to show you guys great entries to enter into if you guys want to do diamond hand holding for long term, okay? When it starts heading back down, guarantee you guys we're going to get another green line here. Great place to look for entries, and you're just going to hold for long term if that's what you guys want to do, okay? Exit points in the market here showing us, hey, you know, the price went up. Could we be seeing a move back down here soon? Yes, we could. And that's what we saw up here. And we overextended ourselves, and then we saw market move back down. All right. Let me now show you guys how to get into our trading over here so you guys can start taking trades with us, okay? We have traders over here doing incredibly well. A guy did $6,000 in the bear run. This is kind of a joke that we were talking about him. He's like, you know what? In the bear run, you can still make money in this market. $7,000 here between ADA and Mana. If I just come down here, I'll just do some random scrolling down here. We can see this guy does $12,800 profit in less than a week with our indicators and metrics on Solana. Coming down here a little bit more, $17,000 euro in one single day. Thanks to the indicators. Guys, the indicators, you have less than 48 hours and the prices are going to be going up. Let's get into that right now so you guys don't miss it. Here's how you guys can join us into our trading strategy where we've never lost a single crypto trade. I do believe we have the highest win rate on all of YouTube. It's not to be arrogant or cocky. It's just where we're currently at. You guys will be able to get into all of our memberships for only $49 a month. That gives you access to all of the metrics up here as well as the buy limits for the live trades, and that is where you guys really want to be paying attention to. We are going to be looking to up this price in the first quarter of next year, okay? April 1st is the first quarter, okay? Everyone who buys in at the $49 a month membership, I will grandfather all of you guys in. This means, if you don't know what grandfather means, if this goes up to $60, $80, $100, $200, $400, does not matter. If it goes up in price, you guys will stay at $49 forever as long as you want to hold your membership. Okay, let's go over this. I want to get you guys in some trades right now. So come over here, and of course today we're talking about Avalanche, so you guys want to come down here and you want to click right here. You literally want to click into this right here, and you want to click here because that will open up the chart. And yes, there's 48 hours. I'll go over that in a second. I'm going to show you guys all of this on the Bitcoin chart this morning, okay, because I want you guys to see this. This will update literally in about 25 minutes because it's updates at 8 a.m. and it's 7:35 right now. Here's what you guys are going to do. Follow me here. You're going to take whatever amount you want to trade each of our coins with. Let's say it's $1,000, okay? Split this $1,000 into 4 equal portions. In this example, that'll be 250. So 250 here, 250 here, 250 here, 250 here. Now again, Avalanche looks the exact same thing. You're going to see price action in white. You're going to see 4 buy limits this morning, and you're going to see a sell limit. Set all of your buy limits up at the exact same time, and then once your first buy limit is hit, set up the sell limit, okay? Now, once you do that, follow me in the Telegram channel because this is where we're actually calling exits for all of you guys. And this is how we've kept track of every single one of our 100 for 100 wins. Look for the party hat. They're all the way through the Telegram channel up here. If you guys see this next party hat that's going to come right here, I think this is like 98 for 98. Where was it up here? Sorry, guys. I do a lot of analysis in between to give you guys updates on what we're seeing. Okay, 97. And then 98 was down here. I'm not going to waste time on this. You guys can come in here and you can look at all these. But everything is kept track of as far as wins with the party hat. That's an easy way to you guys can come in here and find that. Here's 97. There was 98. And then we took 99, obviously 100. There's 99. And then I just showed you guys 100. Okay. So here's the deal with this. Get into the membership because I'm going to be using the indicators to call exits over here. Price versus well money flow. The indicators are going up in less than 48 hours. I'm saying 48 hours because it's just simple for you guys to understand. I'm updating it in the evening on Friday, which is tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow, you guys are going to be staying up late, most likely all of you guys till midnight to watch the ball drop in the United States here. You know, that's awesome. Before you guys do that, get the bundle pack, okay? This is not going to be lower than this price ever again, okay? Here's what you guys do. Click this link right here and enter coupon code Christmas at checkout. This will give you guys the biggest discount we've ever had on the indicators. I am not going to stop using the indicators I show on my charts in 2022. I'm only going to start showing you guys more of the indicators we have. Because here's the deal, if you guys don't understand this. You guys need at minimum the price versus well money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion indicators, okay? These 3. With the bundle pack, you guys actually get a total of 9 indicators. So you get these 3 plus 6 more, giving you a total of 9 with the bundle pack. You guys want to get these 3 at minimum. If you want to get them individually, that's totally fine. Use coupon code SAVEMONEY at checkout. But to pay a few more dollars, you guys get the bundle pack and you guys can actually get it for, basically you're going to overpay 25%. Or you're going to save 25% if you get the bundle pack, whatever way you guys want to look at that. And again, enter coupon code Christmas at checkout under the coupon code when you guys click this link today. Get the indicators, set them up. Real quick, if any of you guys have purchased individual indicators before and you want to upgrade to the bundle pack, email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com and I'll give you guys a PayPal invoice. I'll look at what you paid already. I'll just give you the difference, and I'll let you guys get all the 9 indicators for that difference. So it'll be a ridiculous discount for you guys as well. So nobody is ever going to have to overpay on this. If you purchased indicators in the past, even if you purchased 2 and you're like, hey, Travis, I should only have to pay like $25 more and I want all 7 more indicators, I'll do that for you guys, seriously, depending on how many you've purchased. Just email us and I'll honor that for you. My whole team knows to do that today and forever for you guys in that situation. Okay, so let's watch Avalanche here and let's see if we can actually see this pump back up. Watch this level very closely of $100. If we break down below here and we actually see a candle close, an open and a close below 100, this could start seeing a move back down very quickly to the structure support of about $75, which is around a 25% drop, 21 to 20% drop from the statistic we were looking at from this candle wick low here earlier. So making sure you guys are watching that is going to be crucial. We are seeing bullish signs enter the market, just as we saw here, but make sure you guys are watching these. Next time the well money flow gets high and the trend exhaustion gets high, this is where I'm going to be looking for drops back down. And you need to watch this with these indicators, okay? So make sure you guys get the indicator set up before they go up in price. Make sure you guys have the metrics set up over here, and you guys are watching these on a daily basis like the well money flow on all these coins. Get you guys' membership. That will give you access to all the metrics, and get the buy limit set up, and join me in the Telegram channel where I'm giving you guys access to all of the insider information that I know for these coins and giving you guys the exact exits that I'm taking on these coins to go 100 for 100 wins. Everything is date stamped on all of our coins, so everything is kept transparent. God bless you guys so much. Treat yourself to the membership in 2022 and come trade with us, because I think we can actually go 200 for 200 wins in this next year. We proved ourselves we could do 100 for 100, and we're going to try to go 110 for 110 wins in just January of this next month. So come join us, guys. God bless you so much. Have an amazing, amazing day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Everything you need is in the description, as well as I pinned it to the first comment of this YouTube video. And you guys have a blast on New Year's, and I will see you guys later. Everything you need's down there. Make sure you guys snag this before the next 24 or 48 hours are up, so you guys can pay the discounted price and not the price that it's going to go up to. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.